You're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
And I'll bet you're wondering why I'm sitting on the floor by this lamp on Christmas Day. Well, stick around and I'll tell you why. Now, our cat, Isa, is a terrific cat. She's a lot of fun. She likes to bite Irene, which is not a whole lot of fun for Irene, but it's quite amusing. Well, maybe not so amusing. In any case, she was a wild cat, running around and round and round. And one of the things that she did was she knocked over this lamp. Now, the lamp is an inexpensive lamp that we got, I don't remember which big box store, but we got it at a big box store, and I think we paid about $49 for it, so it wasn't very expensive. Now, when she knocked this lamp down, the light bulb broke. What also happened was the base of the unit broke. The problem with this is this lamp uses only 2 wires to plug into the outlet of the wall. When this happens, you don't want to go mess around with the lamp itself. Don't go try to turn it off. Unplug it. Just unplug it from the wall. Now, this plug is insulated, so you just go ahead and pull it. There's no hazard to yourself. However, there may be issues with the lamp. Now, what I have here is a volt-ohm meter. I'm going to make sure there's no connection between the electricity and the stand of the lamp, because if there is, you could get a shock. So I'm just going to go ahead and verify there's no problem. I'm going to connect the ohm meter to one prong of the plug. And now I'm going to check the lamp . There's no short between this piece of the plug and the lamp, which is good. Now I'm going to check the other side. No short there either. So now I know it's safe to go ahead and try repairing this lamp. This lamp is put together in an inexpensive fashion. The base, which is heavy, is connected to the rest of the lamp by some cement, ordinary cement. It wasn't really put in there all that well, but it did hold the lamp together until Isa knocked it over. And when she knocked it over, the base broke off. What I'm going to try doing is I'm going to try gluing this base to the rest of the lamp using construction adhesive. Because I'm doing this inside instead of out in the workshop or someplace else, I'm putting some newspaper down to protect the floor from adhesive. Now, before I get started, I double-checked to make sure that this clamp could hold the base and the lamp together, and I think it will. So we're going to go ahead and use the construction adhesive now to attach the base to the lamp itself. I'm just going to remove the top of this tube of construction adhesive and puncture it. I have an elf helping me.
Yeah, an elf.
All right, what we're going to do now is get another clamp or two to finish clamping this up, and we'll show you tomorrow how this turned out. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful to you. Definitely when an electrical appliance has a problem like this, you want to be careful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. Bye.